Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello to create a content calendar. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com, hit the enter button, make sure to go and log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't, go and create a new account. The first thing that you'll need to do is simply sync Trello with Google Calendar. So you can go to whatever board you have. If you don't have one, you can simply go and create a new one. As an example, I'm just going to to this board here, and to first of all link it, sorry, to a power up or to Google Calendar, you'll need to use power ups. If you didn't find the power ups button here, you can simply click on the three dots. This will open a menu, scroll down or go to the bottom and you find power ups there. Click on it, you can close the menu now. And here's an example. You can choose which calendar you want to use. So if you want to use random calendar or whatever calendar you want, it's up to you to choose like a calendar, timeline, something like that. Calendar power up is an example, which is visualize Trello card in a calendar view. So it's totally up to you to do whatever you want. So if you just want to use Trello to create a content calendar, you can use this one as example. It's good as example. So this is going to be a content calendar, and you can add stuff to it. So you can go and click on add, and you can go here to power ups. You'll find the thing right here. Click on that, and you can simply go and view the power up or edit the power up as example. So if you click on view as example, you'll be able to view it. But you go here, click edit the power up, an example, enable some sync, and all you need to do is simply, as example, sync this Trello board calendar with your personal calendar. So all you need to do is simply sync it with your personal calendar. So if you have stuff to it, it will be added also here. If you want to use right away the Google Calendar, which will make it very easy, you can go and type here Google Calendar. And of course, there are some few apps for that. You can look for the one that has the most download, maybe as example, this one. And you can simply just go and add card as example. So click on add. I'll add the, I don't know why. Okay, let me just go here. Maybe it's already added. Let's go here and check. It's already added. Yeah, it's already added. So I'm just going here, example, to click on settings. And of course, you'll be able to click on edit. So I don't know why it's lagging a little bit. But anyway, as you can see, you'll find this basically here. As you can see, you'll find your calendar right here. And you can simply just go and add a card to it. And yeah, that's how you add content to a calendar. Of course, you'll be able to add some attachments if you want to this calendar. For example, I'm just going to add a GIF here. This is just downloaded recently. As you can see, I added this example to it. So if I click on it, I'll be able to see the GIF. You can add pictures, add tasks. So it's totally up to you. And yeah, that's gonna be for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.